Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come and found you.
Woo! Look at this mess. The scarf is halfway down the head, but it's Miss Vivi. It's Miss Vivi. How cute she is. I feel like I'm like a bad kid that's talking to their parents right now, because y'all haven't seen me in forever. I took like oh my god, excuse me. It was never supposed to be this long. It was never supposed to be this long. It went from me taking like a month break turning into like a 3-month hiatus, and I never wanted it to be that long, and I didn't give an explanation, but I was so busy on other platforms and just, you know, getting life together. In conclusion, it's my birthday this Saturday and I have a shoot today, and I want to show you how I do my hair. So this hair is sponsored by Unice Hair. It is a 26-inch body wave bust down lace frontal, and the plan is basically to do a big blowout curls. My shoot is going to be like a 60s inspired type of thing, so this is what we're doing. We need to start now though, because the shoot is at 5 and it's 3, and this is not even attached. But I'm not doing my makeup though. Somebody else is doing the makeup, so that portion is not on me. But other than that, how y'all been? I've been terrible. Not terrible in it. I've been actually really great and really grateful and doing well. But just terrible on YouTube. I took a long time, and that was just never supposed to happen. But I always planned on coming back for my birthday. So let's get to it. I am back, guys. I'm less than an hour. I'm a bit stressed. I don't understand why I do this every single birthday, but it's funny now at this point. It's just giving hilarious. Okay, I know this is really abrupt, but we're doing this right now. And I'm running out of time, but I'm using the Revlon brush, and so far so good. So I'll just watch while you see me go crazy right now. Okay, I just found out I was rushing for nothing. They won't make it till 5:30, so. Time to pack. So far, this is what we got going on. You see that melt? Oh! I'm debating, I'm probably gonna put baby hairs for the shoot just because I don't know if it's as late as I wish it was. And that's on me. Unice, you did an amazing job. But I was just rushing so much and trying to figure out this little curler situation. But this is what we have so far. I probably look so stupid in the back. I don't even know. But this is so far. I'm just gonna show you guys the final look at the end. Hopefully it's giving 60s. I feel like I'm not using. Hopefully it's giving 60s inspired. If it's not, I'm really scared. But I will see you when I'm on the shoot. So, okay guys. Hi. Come on, Miley. No. I'm currently dog sitting, so if you hear me yelling 24/7, it's because the babies are here. Sit. Elo is so literally jealous right now. You looking at yourself? You looking at yourself? This is Elo. She's so cute. Look at the baby. Anyways, I'm ready to take out these rollers. If you're gonna ask me, these are different rollers. These are a different set of rollers. I had to redo this because it didn't come out right. So I want it to come out right this time. So let's do it. I'm so hungry too. I want these to look so good because last time I did them, they did not come out good. But I feel like because I didn't curl them enough. Like when I did the roller machine thing, it was more straight than actually like body. And I didn't have as many layers. So I cut more layers, guys. Okay. Now we're gonna do the top 3. You're supposed to give me a body. And I cut some bangs into this. So this one, it's a little bit more voluminous. Okay, here we go. Oh yes. Look. I'll bring her down a little bit. I don't even need it on the, oh, I don't even need it on the middle part. I mean, I can do a middle part. I want to be like that, but the side is just giving something. I think we are done. It's so pretty. Oh my God. So this is the final look. I literally look like somebody's like, just hot. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And this side, any side looks good. Any, is that extra? Oh my God. Do we love? Do we love? Yeah. Okay, this is the final look. Thank you, Unice Hair, for making my birthday real special, because it's not Aries season no more, but it's still Aries season on my head. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Before I become late, I'm already late. Oh my God. Bye.